showing you how to use trading paints. As you can see, I have trading paints loaded on some of my cars, and I will be showing you specifically on a dirt micro sprint car, which you're going to want to go to Trading Paints, www.tradingpaints.com, and you're going to want to, of course, make an account. I have already created an account, and you want to go showroom, and you just want to pick a car. Like, I'm going to pick the dirt micro sprint car, and I'm going to go to all vehicles, and just kind of look like dirt sprint cars, dirt street, you know, dirt micro sprint cars. I'm so sorry, I can't talk today. Dirt micro sprint car, right? So here's all the cars they have, or paint schemes. They're not cars, they're paint schemes. I'm gonna pick the GoPro. GoPro looks cool. Now some of these paint schemes you have to be a pro to use, but some of them not. So I'm gonna put this on the dirt micro sprint car, and it should work once. Hold on. Sometimes you have to go in and out of the app sometimes, but it'll work. Yeah, so I think it's just trying to figure out. Yeah, paint car. Here we go. So it's a GoPro one, and it looks fairly decent. I think I put it on the wrong car, but it's okay. And I'm going to be showing you now how to do it on a late model stock. As you can see, I have Dale Jr.'s, but you know, I've had that for about maybe close to a year. So I'm going to change my paint scheme. So I'm gonna, oh, I'm so sorry. Late model, right? I'm just gonna try finding late model. I believe it's alphabetical, so you just kind of go, or I usually just find them. I just saw it. Late model stock. There we go. Might be, no, here we go. I'm gonna change it to, these paint schemes are not my favorite, actually. I mean, they're not bad. Don't get me wrong, they're not bad, but it's just not my favorite. Like, see, this is the one I have on now, and that's actually pretty good looking. But I like Little Caesars, so I think we're gonna go with Little Caesars. As you can see, it kind of gives you a preview of what car, and you just click Race This Paint, as so. And success, and then go back to iracing, paint car, and Little Caesars is there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to, please give me a like, subscribe. I live stream almost every day. Yeah, and I do post a lot of iRacing content currently. You know, I'm just starting. But yeah, thank you so much. Have a great day. Stay warm. It's cold as hell. So you can see, cold warning down here in effect. It is pretty cold. So stay safe. Guys, also forgot before the video ended that you have to download Trading Paints. It's gonna like ask you if you want to download it. You're gonna want to, and you're gonna want to run it through, like, you will run it first before iRacing. It's gonna download all your paints, stuff like that. See it down here, downloading. And then you're gonna want to open iRacing, and it'll work. So the only reason that Trading Paints was already working was because I closed it before I closed it after I had iRacing open, so it let me do that paint scheme like one time, and then it'll take it off. That's only me though. If you are somebody who uses it and you don't have to open Trading Paints, please let me know in the comment section how to do that. Because, I mean, I have it every time I open my computer, it starts, so it's not that much of a hassle, but anything is better than nothing. Okay, well, actually, stay warm out there, it's cold as hell. It's 17 degrees outside where I